Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. It's no secret that Ferrari is looking to dip a toe into the crossover SUV pool, but until that day comes, the 2019 Maserati Levante Trofeo is the closest you'll be able to get to owning a crossover SUV from the Prancing-Horse brand. Marking the first Levante model with an 8-cylinder engine, the new Trofeo's Ferrari-assembled twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V8 provides the high-riding hatchback with the stable of 590 horses at a screaming 6,250 revolutions per minute and a plentiful 538 pounds-to-foot of torque from just 2,250 revs. Lest you think Maserati simply plugged the V8 engine from its Quattroporte GTS luxury sedan into the Levante Trofeo, we are told that the engine has been thoroughly modified for its new home. Along with an additional 67 horsepower and 14 pounds-to-foot of torque relative to the rear-wheel drive Quattroporte GTS, the all-wheel drive Levante Trofeo's engine has a new crankcase design, oil pump, auxiliary belt, turbochargers, cylinder heads, and more. A Trofeo-specific Corsa driving mode adds a launch control function and adjusts the throttle, adaptive suspension dampers, air springs, all-wheel drive system, and the shift programming of the 8-speed automatic transmission for performance-oriented driving purposes. Maserati claims the Trofeo should dash to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and top out at more than 187 miles per hour, putting it in the same league as vehicles such as the BMW X5 M, the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S, and its more powerful FCA sibling the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Raw performance notwithstanding, the Jeep and Maserati travel in different social circles, and the luxurious Italian offers premium features such as chunky carbon fiber paddle shifters, a 17-speaker Bowers Wilkins audio system, and black, red, or tan leather seating with contrast stitching. Other goodies include Trofeo-specific graphics for the instrument cluster, carbon fiber interior trim, and a new shift lever design.Outside. The Trofeo brings LED headlights, an aggressive front fascia and grille design, 22-inch forged aluminum wheels, carbon fiber side skirts, a revised rear end with the requisite carbon fiber trimmings, and a pair of functional hood vents. Popping the hood reveals a carbon fiber engine cover as well as a red-painted intake manifold and cylinder heads. A special Levante Trofeo Launch Edition, offered only in the United States and Canada, includes additional black exterior details, a serialized Launch Edition badge on the center console, and available black leather seats with Launch Edition exclusive blue or yellow stitching. Production of the Levante Trofeo begins this summer with sales expected to start shortly thereafter. Pricing has yet to be announced, but plan on spending north of 6 figures for the first 8-cylinder Italian SUV. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.